Hello everybody, Ross Hill here from CrankRup.com. Did you know that the leading cause of accidents during hunting is attributed to people falling from tree stands? Thousands of people every year get seriously injured or killed falling out of their tree stand because they weren't installed properly or they weren't wearing the proper safety equipment. And if you don't believe me, check out Tree Stand Safety Awareness, or TSSA for short, treestandsafety.org. It's my personal belief that the ladder stand is one of the safest stands you can use for hunting. Safest, that is, once it's installed. I don't know about you, but I've put up many ladder stands in my day. You lean it up against a tree, install the bracket between the stand and the tree, and then you climb up and hope for the best. It's shaky, we're going to show you that. I just want to show you how unsturdy this is. Typically what guys will do is climb the top of the stand, try to put the ratchet strap on without falling. You can see how shaky that is. You're praying that nothing happens until you get that ratchet strap around the tree. I'm here today to show you that CrankRup is the best, the safest way to install a ladder stand. And again, it works on any stand that you already have, and you can use it on as many stands as you want to put up during the year. We like to crisscross the straps behind the bracket. Lean it up against the tree. There. Strap number one installed. Do the same thing with the other one and you're good to go. Okay, so you've got your CrankRup attached to a tree that's in line with the stand. I think you can see this here. Line it up 20 to 30 feet away from the tree that your stand is in. The next step is to take the hook. This is the chain and pulley block arrangement for when you're hanging your big game animal in the tree, connected to the meat pole, but we don't need it for this application. We just tie it out of the way like that. You take your two straps connected to the tree stand, put them in there like this. Only thing you have left to do is crank her up. There you have it. Cable, straps connected to the tree stand. There you go. The straps are nice and taut. We showed you before how shaky the stand is without the straps, without CrankRup holding it there. Look at that. Doesn't move at all. So we're just about to go up and put the ratchet strap around the tree, ready to hunt. Okay, guys, now you're going to head up your ladder stand. I can't stress this enough. Whenever you leave the ground, make sure you have an approved safety harness with you at all times. And the first thing that you do when you get up into your stand is attach the safety harness. You can see that this is very, very sturdy. So much sturdier than the normal way of putting up a stand. There you go. My safety harness is attached. I'm safe, even though this is not moving very much at all. You never know what can happen. There you go. Ratchet straps on. Good and solid as a tree is. Again, guys, can't stress it enough. Make sure you wear an approved safety harness whenever you're climbing up a tree, whenever you're off the ground. Now we just got to wait for that big buck to show up. So just to summarize, you've got the CrankRup winch connected to a tree. You've got the cable connected to the straps from the tree stand. The straps go up and are connected to the tree stand the way the manufacturer suggests. The tree stand is solid, as we showed you earlier, with just the straps. This has got the ratchet strap around the tree as well. Again, the safest way to put up a ladder stand. So there you have it, folks. The absolute safest way to install your ladder stand for your next big game hunt. Maybe you don't hunt, but maybe you know somebody who does hunt, a father, a brother, sister, whatever the case may be. Get it for them. It makes a perfect Father's Day gift, birthday present, Christmas, whatever. Show them how much you love them and you want them to be safe when they're out in the woods hunting. Hunting's all about making memories. Make sure the memories you're making are the good ones that you want to remember. Get CrankRup and hunt safe. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Have a fantastic hunting season.